Akshara. I am studying fourth class. And my school name is Pallavi International School. I am explaining my summer holidays homework. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. First one, noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. Example of noun: pen, school, India. Second one, pronoun. A pronoun takes the place of a noun in a sentence. Example of pronoun: I, you, he, she, it, they, them. Number third, verb. A verb false words, acts, action, someone or something in doing or expressions or state to being. Example of verbs: read, write, drink, eat. Number 4, adverb.
Adverbs.
Adverbs describe a verb, adjective,
Adverb.
Adverb, it tells how, when, where or the what explained. Example of adverb: softly, lazily, suddenly. Number 5, adjective. Adjectives decide a nouns or a pronouns to false what kind, who, many or which one. Example of
How many?
How many or which one. Example of adjective: hot, lazy, poor, beautiful, dark. Number 6,
Prepositions.
prepositions. A
Preposition.
preposition. A preposition describe a relationship between a noun or pronouns, other word in sentence. Example of
Preposition.
preposition: in, on, up, under, into, to, close. Number 7, constellation.
Conjunction.
Conjunction. A conjunction joins words or in a sentence. Example of conjunction: and, but, or, some, because, with, at. Number 7, in
7.
a adverb described a verb, adjective or adverb. It tells who,
How.
when, where or the what explained.
Extend.
Example of adverb: softly, lazily, suddenly. Fifth one, adjective. Adjective
Decides.
decides a noun or a pronouns to false what kind, how many or which one. Example of adjective: hot, lazy, poor, beautiful, dark. Sixth one,
Prepositions.
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 Prepositions describe a
Relationship.
between a nouns or pronouns, other word in sentence. Example of prepositions: in, on, up, under, into, to, close. Seventh one, conjunction.
Conjunction.
A conjunction joint word or phrase in a sentence. Example of conjunction: and, but, or, so, Interjection is a word or phrase
కానీ ఆన్సర్
that expresses storage strong feeling or emotions. Example of interjection: ho, wow, hooray.
మొత్తం